Hello and welcome, this is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and in today's video I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin yesterday has almost reached $16,000 per Bitcoin, and now Bitcoin looking quite bullish, so let's discuss it. The second thing I want to talk about is that even Bitcoin price is now going up. The search in Google for the word of Bitcoin, to buy Bitcoin or Bitcoin price, these kind of things are still very low. So let's discuss it. What does it mean? And the third news is going to be about Ledger, and it goes mainly for the Ledger owners, as some of them has lost altogether 1.1 million XRP to a scam site, and what you have to be careful about if you're having a Ledger wallet. Okay, so this is very important. So guys, all this in today's video, and if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, but you would like to stay up to date and get these fresh news every weekday from Monday to Friday, then the only thing you have to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, blockchainbloom, and hit the notification bell so you get these videos as soon as they out, because it's very important that you get the news as soon as possible. Okay, and you can also educate yourself with us. We have a free course, the link under the video, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But we have another video as well. The link is down there, understanding Bitcoin and blockchain. And actually, many of you have written to me that you're enjoying these daily videos and it's so great to have them, and you would like to give something back in return. And to be honest with you, when I started this site about half a year ago, I wasn't thinking about this because this is my passion. I really like to do this. But actually, I was thinking about something, how I can give even more to you. And yesterday, I made this website. I will put the link under this video. Actually, it's patreon.com/blockchainbloom. And here, if you want, if you just feel like, you can donate, right? I made some funny stuff up. You know, you can be a coffee sponsor, because coffee is very important for me. I wake up every day like 4:30, and because otherwise I cannot make these videos before work. So, but I like to do it with passion. So I do it anyway. But if you gain something from this video, if you enjoy them, then this is one way to support. It's basically small money, to be honest with you, monthly, €5. And you can pay monthly €10, but in that case, you're getting bonuses. First of all, you're getting a blockchainbloom sticker, just those guys who are the lunch sponsors getting this. And of course, you will get monthly bonus videos. And those videos won't be in YouTube. Maybe later I will put them on, but definitely first it will be for you guys. So this could be a bonus thing. And actually, we have this VIP sponsor, the biggest one. This means like €50 in a month. This is a really, really generous offer in my opinion. But you guys will get every month extra video, which is about the top one altcoin, which I believe in that time could perform very well, and it will be a detailed analysis. You will get this monthly bonus video, and you will get plus this kind of mug. Okay, so you will have the same mug. It will be shipped to you after the third month of the sponsorship, but everything else you get immediately. And it's a very easy, straightforward process, and it's taken from your account every month on the first of that month. Okay, so any of you thinking about supporting blockchainbloom YouTube channel because you enjoy the content, this could be one way. But I'm just doing this because so many of you have asked for it, so thanks a lot in advance. Okay, and let's move on. How the market looks like. So Bitcoin, as I said, it almost reached 16,000, but now it went back a little bit, so it's 15,608, and this is almost 8% increase in the last 24 hours. Look, can see Ethereum. Great news about Ethereum that we have the launch date of the Ethereum 2.0. And look, it went up 10% in the last 24 hours, right now at $442. And when we're looking at the top winners, we have Aave 42% up, Uniswap 39% up, Synthetic Network 34%. And look at all these others, they actually going more and more up. I think it's great. We're having a great day. That's no question. When we're looking at the losers, wow, look, almost no losers. I mean, like Hedge Trade -1 something, the Midas Touch Code -1, and Raven -0 point whatever. And look, there are the stable coin now here, and then everything is in plus. So we definitely have a green day today. And then let's talk about Bitcoin, because as I said, Bitcoin almost touched 16,000. And look, it was so close to it, $15,950. And this is definitely a new high in 2020. Actually, now the analysis, they're saying that they predict that it will continue this rally. Be careful. It's Bitcoin. Anytime it can turn back. It's part of the bull market, even big drops like 20, 30, 40% drop. But now they predict it actually can go up to $17,000 per Bitcoin. And in the last 24 hours, it was about a 10% increase, and this is quite big. And the last time, when it was around this, it was back in January 2018, when it came back from the all-time high. And, Bitcoin has now spent more than 20 days above $15,000 barrier and 19 days above 15,109. This represents roughly 0.4% of the crypto assets life since it was created back in 2009. So we can see that we're talking about the Bitcoin all-time high, 20,000, roughly around that. But Bitcoin above 15,000 in the whole lifetime of Bitcoin so far has spent just 20 days. So actually, think about it. When back then in the last bull cycle, it reached that, then it went up quite quickly and just came back, because altogether, we're talking about here a 20 days period. And this is the whole since Bitcoin exists since 2009. And another thing I wanted to talk about, that of course right now when you're looking at the fear and greed index, it's currently cranked over into extreme green. Look, it's extreme green now zone at 90, you can see. The last time it was this high was in June last year, 2019, when it was 92, as Bitcoin powered its highest price for that year at just under 14,000. But now we almost reached 16,000. So definitely, but think about, whenever we are in a bull cycle, then this index is always very high, this fear and greed index, and even it's still going up. So there are two possibilities, like always. It can reach a point when it will turn back, and then collecting some energy and make the next move, probably. Or right now it's keep going, like in the previous article, it shows that now the analysis, they saying that even it can reach 7,000 US dollar in this is upward run right now. And of course, 20,000 at the end of the year, it's actually quite likely if you're looking at this. Look, like a month ago or 2 months ago, when we were suffering around the 10,000 something, would you think that this will happen? It's crazy. I mean, that's a great thing in crypto. Okay, the second thing I wanted to talk about, it's very interesting if you looking at the website Google Trends, and here what you can do, you can search different kind of words or expressions, whatever, and then you can see how many people search on the same thing. And here you can see this goes back actually back to 2004. It's not necessary, but the whole thing I wanted to show this big picture that you can see when you're searching on the word Bitcoin in Google. Actually, here you can see the peak. And obviously, it was back in 2018 in January. Oh, no, sorry, December, I believe. Oh, somehow it's not doing that. But anyway, December, January, something like that. And right now we are here. So just think about it. Bitcoin, it's almost at 16,000, right? When it was in an upward trend, here you can see even, these, even in November in 2017, it was higher, but actually the price was lower than now. So right now, people not really searching for Bitcoin, right? What we can see, these big investors and everything, are the institutional investors, companies who invest in Bitcoin, and it's not in the news yet that actually it's going up. When it will be new all-time highs, breaking the 20,000, and it's keep going, and later in the grocery store, the guy next to you is just saying you that, okay, you have to put it in Bitcoin and everything. Then everybody is talking about Bitcoin, and then it will be very high in Google search. And when it happens, that will be the time when actually more people will FOMO in, which will push the price further. So now Bitcoin doing quite good, but look, it's so low when we're looking at the search. And we can actually put, like, of course, other things like price, Bitcoin price. Look at this. Well, the same thing, pretty much. I don't know, buy Bitcoin. Yeah. Even put another coin like Ethereum in it. Let's check that one. Yeah, it went up a little bit, but look, it's down here. So not too much, really. And that's why I'm saying that there is a great chance that Bitcoin can have a great rally, because we haven't even reached this kind of public FOMO. Right now, who actually FOMOing in are who are already in crypto, or institutional investors or companies, but not the kind of average people. Let's put it this way. Okay, third news I wanted to discuss, it's Ledger danger. So whoever has Ledger wallet has to be very careful. Overall, Ledger wallet is a very safe one, in my opinion, because it doesn't give out your public key. However, the way they attacking Ledger is usually these scam emails. And, we do know that during the summer, Ledger announced that their system was hacked and a lot of email addresses were stolen. Therefore, this kind of people doing this have now the opportunity to reach many Ledger owners. And, they're saying here that after a major leak of email and personal information earlier this year, so what I mentioned, Ledger customers are experiencing a surge in phishing attempts. So basically, this phishing kind of thing is going on. The scam used a phishing email that directed users to a fake version of a Ledger website. And here is what's happening. Look, here you can see, when you look at like this, and really, you cannot, actually, for you, maybe it's a bit small, maybe it's going to Twitter. Yeah, it's not getting bigger. So actually, when you're just looking at, you can see ledger.com/update can I go back, or this is now? Okay. But under the first E, you can see this extra little mark, or it's from a different alphabet, so not from the English alphabet, and they use this E. And if you not spot that one, you think you are on the right Ledger website because everything looks quite okay. And even the email address is ledger.com. And basically, this is what here happened. They say in this case, a letter that looked like the letter E, but it wasn't. On the fake site, victims were flew into the downloading malware posing a security update, which drained the balance from their Ledger wallet. So definitely, then there was a warning, you have to download something, and then, of course, it's gone because you let them access to your Ledger. So this is the way they tricked you. And in a similar ongoing scam, a phishing email that appears to be sent from the official account for Team Ripple appeals to Ledger users by offering an XRP giveaway to whitelisted addresses as part of the community support program. That's what they're saying. The registration process involves handing over Ledger seed phrase or crypto private key in order to qualify for a non-existent program. Remember, if you have a Ledger, never ever give your 24 words recovery phrase public key. They would never ever ask for it, okay? This is just yours. So be aware of that. And if you just think back in 2018, we had this kind of Binance scam when it was this fake Binance website, and everything looks fine. It's www.binance.com. You can have actually HTTPS, which is in the S, it's important. But when you can look at this here, under the N, you have 2 dots. So again, from a different alphabet. And then they have used this, and people just quickly checked. Yeah, okay, Binance, that's fine. Let's go. It's an official one. It's not. So be careful. The way you can be hacked, having a Ledger wallet, it's mostly your fault in a way that you weren't careful enough. You haven't checked everything, and they do their best job to trick you and make a website which looks exactly like the Ledger website. But it's not. So be very careful, okay? So yeah, that's it, what I wanted to say. And if you want to get these kind of contents, this daily cryptocurrency and blockchain news, then the only thing you have to do to subscribe to this YouTube channel, BlockchainBloom, and hit the notification bell so you get these videos as soon as I put them on the internet, on YouTube, and I put them on between Monday and Friday. So every weekday you're getting the freshest news. And of course, you can educate yourself, not just with these daily videos, but we have a totally free course. Link under the video, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So I think this is great free knowledge. Just educate yourself, it's important. But we have another course, which is about how to understand Bitcoin and blockchain. And now that you see that how well Bitcoin is doing, I think you need to educate yourself why you're investing. That's also very important. And of course, now weekend is coming, so I wish you a great weekend. We'll see how Bitcoin will perform during the weekend. And Monday, I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. So guys, have a good one. Bye-bye.